I think it's true that the industry has become a bit boring, it's stagnated. We came here last year and asked a select few people that we trust to tell us what they want to see. We went away, spent a year trying to make what they had asked for, and it's here now, and it genuinely is revolutionary. It changes the way that you use projection technology, it changes what you can do with mapping and visual solutions. I guess we'll find out this week if we really have nailed it, but we certainly believe we've done it.
So we introduced M-Noise, which is a new test signal that comes with a procedure for determining the maximum loudness of a loudspeaker. And currently it's being reviewed by the Audio Engineering Society to see whether it matters adoption as a standard, which would be unprecedented because as we speak there is no standard, there's no governing body that overlooks the determination of the maximum loudness of a loudspeaker. And it would be unprecedented and therefore revolutionary.
Yeah, I think it's fair to say that since the advent of large format line array, we've seen incremental evolutionary improvement. Though I think the concept of what something like immersive sound as a common term, we call it more an engaging, enveloping audio experience that's bought from immersive sound systems, is sound design's great leap forward. It puts sound at the forefront of storytelling and experience in performances of all types of applications.
When it comes to technology, it's easy to think that nothing is happening or it's happening very slow, but the reality is people's perceptions and expectations are changing. What's happening behind the scenes is technology. We used to have to work for technology. Now it's all about technology working for us. So what we're going to see in the next decade is all the work that's being put in right now behind the scenes that nobody knows about. We're going to see exciting new innovations come to the market.